It all started on a cold morning in Hudson, when Amy Fleming's life changed forever. She didn't know that one accident, one wild horse, and one painful goodbye would begin a journey that would test her strength, love, and courage for years to come. From heartbreak to hope, from loss to new beginnings, the Heartland story became more than just a family ranch. It became a place where broken hearts were healed and dreams came alive. But behind every smile, there was always a storm waiting to rise. Amy Fleming was just a teenager when her mother Marion died trying to save a frightened horse. The pain was too much to bear, and the ranch, once full of laughter, fell silent. But Amy soon discovered she had inherited her mother's gift, the ability to understand and heal horses that others had given up on. Together with her grandfather Jack, her sister Lou, and the mysterious stable hand Ty Borden, she began to rebuild Heartland and herself. Season by season, the ranch saw both joy and heartbreak. Amy worked tirelessly to help horses others couldn't reach, finding comfort in their eyes when her own world felt uncertain. Ty arrived at Heartland as a troubled boy with a difficult past, but he found family, love, and purpose there. Their bond grew deeper with every challenge, from wild horse rescues to near tragedies. Still, life on the ranch was never simple. Lou struggled to balance her city dreams with her love for her family. Jack, the strong but gentle heart of Heartland, carried his own memories and regrets, guiding his granddaughters with quiet wisdom. Each season brought new faces, some friends, some rivals, testing the strength of the family that called Heartland home. When tragedy struck again, the Heartland family had to find new ways to stay strong. Amy and Ty faced accidents, separations, and doubts that shook their relationship. Yet their love always brought them back to each other. Through every storm, Amy found herself healing not just horses but people, showing that hope could always be found, even in the darkest times. The ranch became a place where lost souls found second chances, from troubled teenagers to injured animals. Heartland wasn't just about horses, it was about healing hearts. Still, not every story ended the way they hoped. In season 14, the world of Heartland changed forever when Ty passed away. It was a heartbreak that rippled through every corner of the ranch. For Amy, it felt like losing a part of herself. The man she loved, the father of her daughter Lindy, was gone, but his spirit never truly left. Amy had to face the hardest challenge of all, moving forward. She learned that love doesn't fade with loss, it transforms. Jack reminded her that Heartland had always been built on courage, and Lou, now mayor of Hudson, stood by her side through it all. As Lindy grew, she began to show the same spark that her mother once did, a bond with horses that couldn't be explained. It was as if Ty's love and Amy's gift had found new life in their daughter. By season 16, the ranch had seen generations come and go, each leaving their mark. Lou and Peter found their way back to each other after years apart. Georgie chased her dreams as a show jumper, and Tim finally faced his past and made peace with his family. Heartland stood tall through storms, fire, and heartbreak, a symbol of endurance and hope. But even as the sun set over the fields, there was always a hint of mystery in the air. What new challenges would come to Heartland next? Would Amy find love again, or was her heart forever tied to Ty's memory? No one knew for sure, but one thing was certain. Heartland would always be a place where love, family, and courage rode side by side. From season 1 to 16, Heartland's story wasn't just about horses or ranch life. It was about how people grow, fall, and rise again. It showed that even when the world changes, some things like loyalty, love, and the bond between a girl and her horse never fade. Outro. Heartland's journey is far from over. The ranch has seen loss, love, and endless beginnings, reminding us that home is not just a place. It's the people who make us believe again. Whether it's Amy finding strength in her daughter's smile, or Jack watching over the land he built, Heartland continues to inspire millions. And as every sunset paints the fields golden, we know one thing: the story of Heartland is still being written, one heartbeat at a time. Title: Heartland Season 1 to 16, The Journey So Far. Description: relive the unforgettable journey of Amy Fleming and the Heartland family from season 1 to 16, a story of love, loss, courage, and healing that continues to touch hearts around the world. Tags: Heartland, Amy Fleming. Ty Borden, Heartland Season 16. Heartland Recap, Family Drama, Canadian TV Series, Ranch Life, Horse Story, Emotional Journey, Heartland History, CBC Heartland.